Evaluate 9 minus 4 divided by bracket 7 minus 5 times 2 cubed plus 3. This video is about the order of operations. So let's just write down the sum. 9 minus 4 divided by 7 minus 5 times 2 cubed plus 3. Now the question is, what do we do first? Well, first step is brackets. So we'll just highlight those. So the sum will become 9 minus 4 divided by 7 minus 5, which is 2, times 2 cubed plus 3. Next step is indices. So we'll highlight the 2 cubed. So it will become 9 minus 4 divided by 2 times 2 cubed, which is 8 plus 3. Now we either do division or multiplication, working left to right, whatever comes first. So the first thing that comes across is the division. So we'll do the division. So we're going to get 9 minus 2 times 8 plus 3. Now we look at it again, and the first thing we'll do is a division or multiplication, working left to right. So that will be the 2 times 8. So we'll do 9 minus 16 plus 3. The next thing is we either do the subtraction or addition, working left to right. So we're going to do 9 minus 16, which is going to be minus 7, plus 3, which gives me, and then finally doing the subtraction or addition, whichever comes first. It's just an addition. So we will do minus 7 plus 3, which gives me an answer of minus 4. So this has been a video to show you how to do the order of operations. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.